Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And this is what we thought.
Yes.
So right now we're going to do the drawing for the potato tower. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. I got the link in there. And filter duplicate users. Number winners 1. Show random names. That would be 4. So 4. Where's my secret word? Oh, that one. Potato tower. Let's see how many people put potato tower. 14. All right. Start the raffle. Nick JM37 Ford 1. Portal 1. All right, I'm going to put the instructions on how to get your potato tower. And actually, Nick, I think you're the one. Yeah, please send me the potato tower. That's awesome. All right, details to come.
Congratulations, Nick.
Yep, congratulations, Nick. You asked for it, and you got it. So you need to send us an email to whatwethought@yahoo.com. And we'll need your name, address, phone number. And you don't have to have it shipped to you if you don't want to. You can have it shipped to anybody. Just give us the name and address of where you want it shipped to. All right. Thanks for watching this, and congratulations on winning.
Thank you for joining us, and please like and subscribe and join us for some more giveaways that we'll be having soon.
Yep. All right. You guys have a great day. Whoa.